Today we can discuss how to level up your JavaScript skills while having fun. Well, we got a solution for you. Here are 4 games that will not only entertain you but also help you sharpen your coding abilities. First on the list is CodeCombat. Imagine embarking on a thrilling adventure, but here the twist. Your weapon is your coding skills. With every successful code, you level up, becoming a more formidable coder with each victory. Following CodeCombat, we introduce Flexbox Froggy. This game is all about helping adorable frogs find their spots. But here the catch. You will be doing this by shorting out CSS. It's fun, it's challenging, and it's fantastic way to learn. Our third recommendation is Elevator Saga. In this game, you are in control of coding elevators, ensuring efficient movement of peoples. It's a unique way to boost your logic skills and get a better grasp of JavaScript. Finally, we have a Codecademy. If you are looking for a more structured approach to learning, this is your go-to. Codecademy offers interactive JavaScript courses that will help have you coding like a pro in no time. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to enhance their skills, these games will help you master JavaScript in a fun and engaging way. So why wait? Dive in, start playing and level up your JavaScript skills today. Remember, the world of coding awaits you. Thanks.